Are you ready to take control of your digital future? In this video, I'm revealing exclusive advanced techniques in ethical hacking, social media monetization, proven money-making strategies, all completely free. Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to have you here today. Marks the launch of our channel, where we'll dive deep into the world of technology and online success, all completely free. If you've ever wanted to learn ethical hacking, master social media, or discover unique money-making strategies, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'm about to share some incredible insights that no one else is talking about. I'm Eddie, and welcome to ED Tech Defender. I'm passionate about helping you navigate the ever-evolving world of technology. Here you'll find free advanced courses on topics like ethical hacking, social media marketing, and innovative money-making strategies. My goal is to empower people with skills and knowledge to thrive online. Let's unlock your potential together. All right, let's break down what you can expect from our upcoming videos. First up, ethical hacking. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques that can help you secure networks and protect yourself online. I'm sure you won't want to miss these insider tips. Next, we'll dive into social media management. I'll show you how to grow your audience on platforms like YouTube and Facebook, and even how to monetize your efforts effectively. And lastly, we'll explore money-making methods. I'll reveal some unconventional strategies that can help you earn online information that isn't widely shared. Let's start with ethical hacking. This is a field that's becoming increasingly important in our digital world. Did you know that cybercrime costs businesses billions every year? In our upcoming courses, you'll learn how to defend against these threats. For example, did you know you can start by learning how to secure your home network? Always change default passwords on your devices. This is a crucial first step in protecting your digital life. Moving on to social media management. Social media isn't just for sharing selfies anymore. It's a powerful tool for building your brand and making money. Here's a quick strategy. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating polls. This not only builds a community, but also boosts your visibility on platforms. In our detailed series, we'll explore specific techniques for growing your audience and monetizing your content. Trust me, you'll want to apply these methods. Now let's talk about money-making methods. Many people think earning online is just about blogging or affiliate marketing, but there's so much more. For instance, have you heard about print-on-demand services? You can create custom designs and sell them without any upfront costs. I'll be sharing unique methods that aren't commonly discussed anywhere else, so make sure to subscribe. If you're excited to learn about these topics, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to cover first: ethical hacking, social media strategies, or money-making tips. Your input will help shape this channel. Thanks for joining me on this journey, everyone. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to thriving in the digital world. Until next time, stay curious and keep defending your tech. I have noted down the text you provided. It seems like a detailed discussion about an advanced ethical hacking course. The course promises to cover a wide range of topics, including compromising systems, monitoring traffic, encryption, decryption, and vulnerabilities in various networks. However, the instructor also emphasizes the moral and legal aspects of using the knowledge gained from the course, highlighting the importance of ethical conduct and respecting legal boundaries. The instructor also discusses the software and hardware requirements for the course. Linux is recommended as the preferred operating system due to its open-source nature and robust tools for development and penetration testing. The limitations of Windows and OS X are also mentioned, particularly in terms of anonymity and source code transparency. It appears to be a comprehensive overview of what the course will offer and the ethical considerations that participants should keep in mind.